A surprise membership charge usually happens when a financial app subscription renews automatically after a billing cycle resets, even if the user hasn't actively used the service. By the end, you'll know exactly where the Dave membership charge comes from, how to confirm whether it is valid, and what to do to stop or reverse it if it wasn't expected. Inside the Dave app, membership fees are tied to an active subscription status that stays on until it is manually canceled. That means uninstalling the app or not using it does not stop the billing cycle. If the subscription is still active in the system, the charge will continue to appear on your linked payment method. One common reason for unexpected charges is delayed cancellation. If the membership is canceled after a billing cycle starts, the system may still process the next charge before the cancellation fully applies. This creates a situation where the user sees a charge even after thinking the subscription was turned off. Another issue is multiple linked accounts or payment methods. If more than one card or bank account is connected, the billing system may attempt to charge a backup method when the primary one fails. That can make it look like an unexpected charge, even though it came from a different linked payment source. Sometimes the charge is not new at all, but a reattempt after a failed payment. If a previous billing attempt failed due to insufficient funds, the system may retry the same charge later once funds become available. To fix it, start by opening the Dave app and checking your subscription or membership status. Confirm whether the membership is still marked as active inside account settings. If it is active, cancel it directly inside the app so no future billing cycles continue. Next, review your transaction history and match the charge date with your billing cycle details. This helps confirm whether the charge is current, delayed, or a retry from a previous failed payment. If the charge looks incorrect or you don't recognize it, contact in-app support immediately. Support can verify whether the charge came from an active subscription, a retry attempt, or a billing system error. Also check your linked payment methods to see which account was actually charged. This helps identify whether the charge came from a backup method instead of your main account. To sum it up, unexpected membership charges usually come from active subscriptions, delayed cancellations, or retry payments after a failed billing attempt. The fastest fix is checking your subscription status, matching transaction dates with billing cycles, and confirming which payment method was charged. The next step is to open the app and verify whether your membership is still active so you can stop future charges immediately if needed. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of financial app fees that usually confuse users, but are easy to track once you know where to look.